Okay guys, what's happening? Back with my second blaster box of 2018 Topps Baseball. This is the Walmart, so it's got the Kris Bryant highlight cards in there. I said in the other video the Target ones are Derek Jeter. My Target did not have these in stock, so Walmart did. So let's see what we get out of this bad boy. Empty. There's our patch card. Saved to the end. Coupons for some of their products coming out this year. Series 1, Series 2, Opening Day, Heritage, Bowman. Alright, let's get to it. Starting off with Miguel Sano, Mike Trout, Ahmed Rosario rookie, Corey Seager, 83 Topps, that's cool. Buster Posey, Opening Day, Mark Reynolds, New York Yankees team card, Luis Gohara, hope I'm saying that right, rookie card, Josh Tomlin, Robinson Cano, and a Topps Now, it's like a promotional insert I guess, Derek Jeter. Alright, up next, Yasiel Puig, Matt Kemp, Robbie Grossman, Cody Bellinger, Future Stars, Superstar Sensation, Robinson Cano, got a Jorge Polanco, it's that glossy, looks like it should be numbered but it isn't. Neil Walker, Tyler Mahle, rookie card, Ramel Tapia, and Michael Wacha. Okay, Mark Trumbo, Dellin Betances, Max Fried rookie card, Paul Goldschmidt, Father's Day, Kris Bryant highlight. This one hits the home run in the first inning, collects 4 hits in 2016 World Series Game 6. Very cool. They needed an easy game after that Game 5. Oh, it was intense. Robinson Cano, Opening Day. Brandon Finnegan. Ian Happ, Future Star. The Rookie Cup. I like that. I like that card. Great photography on that. Michael Fulmer. And Corey Dickerson. Schwarbaum, Kyle Schwarber, Nick Pivetta, Aaron Slegers, rookie, Harrison Bader, rookie, Legends in the Making, Nolan Arenado, Opening Day, Noah Syndergaard, got the Detroit Tigers team card, Josh Reddick, Andrew Kashner, and Cheslor Cuthbert. Alright, got Amir Garrett, Daniel Cullum, Avisail Garcia, league leader, Nolan Arenado, league leader, Addison Russell, 83 tops in the Cubs uniform. That's interesting. And there is a little crease at the bottom of that card. That kind of sucks coming right out of the pack. Andrew Stevenson, rookie. That's a cool looking card. That's very cool. And I think... Oh, wow. Okay. Numbered 1 of 76. Numbered 1 of 76. That's a cool looking card. Opening day, Yadier Molina, Corey Nebel, league leader Clayton Kershaw, and Jose Bautista. All right, Greg Holland, Colton Wong, Trey Turner, Charlie Blackmon, league leader, Silver Slugger, Corey Seager, Legends in the Making, Yohan Moncada, Travis d'Arnaud, Jed Jorko, Carlos Rodon, and Starling Marte. Alright, next, George Springer, Elvis Andrus, Aaron Judge, league leader. Very cool. Chris Sale, Jackie Robinson day card. Chris Bryant highlight, selected for a 2015 All-Star game. Evan Longoria opening day. Carlos Gonzalez, Brandon Belt, John Lackey, and Maikel Franco. All right, up next, Salvador Perez, Howie Kendrick, Francisco Mejia, rookie, Lucas Sims, rookie, sweet, Legends in the Making, Anthony Rizzo, opening day, Paul Goldschmidt, Keon Broxton, All Smiles Liftoff in Houston card, Matt Barnes, CC Sabathia. Yulieski Gurriel, Kendrys Morales, Willie Calhoun, rookie, Lewis Brinson, future star, 83 tops, Dansby Swanson, opening day, Adrian Beltre, the Home Run Challenge, which I haven't gotten any of those cards out of these two blasters yet. Texas Rangers team card. Kevin Gausman. Zach Wheeler. Ender Inciarte. Alright. The last pack, and then we got the patch card. Alright, got Mookie Betts. Marcus Semien. Jackie Bradley Jr. Dylan Peters, rookie. Superstar sensation, Eric Hosmer. Legends in the making, Carlos Correa. Michael Conforto. Walker Buehler, rookie. Buehler. Matt Harvey. And Cam Bedrosian. Alright, and the patch card will be Matt Kemp. The Players Weekend commemorative patch, Matt Kemp. And those are not numbered. Okay, guys, that's it for the second blaster box, 2018 Topps. Go pick some up, $20 a blaster at Walmart and Target. It's at Walmart you get your Kris Bryant inserts. Target you get your Derek Jeter, so kind of pick your poison. Anyway, that's it for the blaster box break, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.